Have you ever heard someone say, "Oh, bless your heart," and thought it sounded sweet? Well, in American English, especially in the southern states, that seemingly kind phrase can actually be a subtle, sarcastic put-down. Wait, what does "bless your heart" actually mean? And how do you know which version you're hearing? Stick around, and we'll break down this fascinating expression. At its core, bless your heart literally means, may God bless your heart. And it can be used genuinely to express sympathy or compassion. For example, if a friend loses their pet, you might sincerely say, "Oh, bless your heart, I'm so sorry." This is the kind textbook meaning. However, the tricky part is its secondary, often sarcastic, meaning. You're sweet, but you're also a bit naive, foolish, or even incompetent. It's a polite way to say someone is doing something silly or unintelligent, without being overtly rude. It's passive-aggressive kindness. This expression is deeply rooted in the southern United States, where manners and indirect communication are highly valued. It evolved as a way to soften criticism, especially among women, allowing for social correction without direct confrontation. So, it's not really about its origin from sports or military, but rather a cultural artifact of Southern hospitality and decorum. Let's see it in action. Imagine your friend spent hours making a complicated dish, but it tastes terrible. You might say, "Oh, bless your heart, you tried so hard. Here." It's a gentle way to acknowledge their effort, while subtly implying the result isn't great. Another scenario. Someone at work makes a clearly obvious mistake, like forgetting to save a document. A colleague might say, "Bless her heart. She always forgets that part." It's a mild put-down, suggesting they're a bit scatterbrained. The key to understanding "bless your heart" is the tone of voice and context. A genuinely sweet tone means sympathy. A slightly condescending tone means sarcasm. Don't use it lightly if you're not a native speaker, especially in formal settings, as it can easily be misinterpreted or sound insincere. And be cautious when someone says it to you. Pay attention to their smile, their eyes, and the overall situation. Is it genuine warmth or a subtle dig? So, bless your heart is a phrase that can be both genuinely kind and subtly cutting, all depending on how it's delivered. Did this help you understand this tricky expression? Give us a like and subscribe for more insights into how Americans really talk. Next time, we're breaking down another expression that sounds completely wild, but means something totally different. You won't want to miss it.